You've heard of the stock market. But do you know what actually happens when you buy $1 of a stock?
Companies need money to grow. Instead of borrowing, they sell tiny pieces of themselves.
Each piece is called a share. Own one, and you own a fraction of that company forever until you sell it.
But here's the twist. The price of that share isn't set by the company. It's set by US. Everyone buying and selling. Every second. This means a stock's price has almost nothing to do with whether the company is good. It's about whether people think it will be worth more tomorrow. When you click buy, you're not buying from the company. You're buying from another investor willing to sell, matched in milliseconds by an exchange. If the company grows, your share is worth more. If it struggles, it's worth less. There's no guarantee. That's the trade you're making.
So next time someone says the market is up, remember, it's just millions of people making a bet on tomorrow, all at once.